Hey guys, welcome to OMG. So today in this video we are going to look around for a very special job as far as me, writing. If you really love and you have a passion to write a lot, then this is for you. You have to try this job because this is a nice and amazing opportunity to get paid for your writing skills. So I'll be showing a website where you can just start off writing and get paid. Without dragging a lot, I am just going on with the video now. This is the website textroyal.com where you are going to work as a writer, freelance writer. So, if you are already in this field writing as a freelancer, or if you're new, you can just get into this website. This is an amazing website where you have very professional and a lot of companies are around here. Many huge companies are also hiring people. It's not like hiring, they'll be posting a job and you have to just start off writing, submitting, and once you get approved you will get paid for each and every article. I'll also be showing you the amount of payment you'll be getting and what is the threshold and everything in the second part of the video. So make sure you stay till the end, and I'll now just tell you what all the process is going on as in this website that hires you as a writer. So first, when you are into writing, you have to complete your profile, but before everything else you just have to sign up and give it a test. You have to attend a test where you will be like on the second you will know the result, because the page will show you if you are qualified or not. Once you are qualified, you will get a mail to confirm it, and then only you will be able to log into your dashboard as a writer. But without even qualifying, you can have a dashboard, but that is just for getting content writers, but not you as a freelance writer. So to get into the dashboard of a freelance writer, you have to attend the test and pass the test. So then you'll be allowed to your dashboard through a mail. Then here, after getting into your dashboard, you will be seeing a lot of work to write. There are so many amount of jobs, even that I will be discussing in the second part of this video. So please guys, make sure you stay till the end, so that I'll be telling you all the payment and what are the threshold and other ideas. So before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from the channel. So now we'll move on to the second part of this video. So here you have to click on to work as a freelancer, and here you will be get paid as a newbie $0.03 per word. So I think this is a startup amount for every writer. So when you are growing up and you get a lot of reviews, you will end up paying $0.07 per word. Now here you can find creative writing, copywriting, technical writing jobs, creative writing, as I have already told you, blogging jobs, article writing, travel writer, academic writer, sports writer, game writing jobs, comedy writing, and other things. So as far as I know, you will be getting a lot of jobs in technical writing, and academic works you will get a bit less only, because it depends on people, on how many people are submitting for work, for getting content. You will get a good amount of job in blogging as far as I know. So you just have to click on apply, and you will end up in this page where you will have 10 questions to answer. Once you are qualified with this test, you will get a confirmation message from this website. So try on guys, if you are good at writing, you just have to try this website. This is really amazing, I have to tell you this. So please, if you are having a good passion on writing, just try on this website, just attend the test. If you pass the test, I think you will get a good job. Here you don't have to work on for any amount of scheduled time. It's up to you, whenever you want you can work. As being said, with flexible time you can choose the projects that you like a lot and do that. And if you have any doubts, please drop it in the comments below. I'll make sure I answer it as soon as possible. And yeah guys, that's all for the video now. Meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.